fuck there is in Temecula.
I really would not like to go to Applebee's.
When I went there to go grab my car, all I saw was a Benihana's.
There's actually, if we go a little bit further into Murrieta, there's a Italian restaurant there that's actually not bad.
Further. It's like 15 minutes further. It's crazy as fuck.
Good thing Vallone's driving.
If we go any fucking further than Vallone's apartment, Vallone is driving.
Of course.
You hear that?
Thank you, Vallone.
He doesn't know what to say.
I don't. I haven't done this in so long. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the vlogs. I haven't recorded like this in a fucking minute because I've been riding motorcycles, but unfortunately I got into a car accident and luckily I'm still alive, but not so great for the motorcycle because that thing is totaled. I got a new car and we're about to go pick it up with my buddy Joey and my friend Michael. Yeah, what a lovely man right there. Joey, you got to get onto this for you right here. I'm sorry. Get over there, Joey. Nice. That was very nice.
Thank you.
Anyways, so we're on our way to go pick it up. It is sitting at my friend's, our buddy's apartment right now, and he lives up in Temecula, and we're down here in San Diego. Yes.
Yeah. No,
and so we have quite a ride ahead of us. But yeah, so we're gonna go pick up the new car, and it's a brand that I used to own. So yeah.
It's a surprise, YouTube. It's a surprise.
It's not really a surprise because I feel like they would know what car it would be by at this point. Because I've only had.
It's the same car roo.say always gets. So.
Yeah, that's true. I've had 2 of them already, so this will be my 3rd. So, anyways, we'll pick up the camera when we get back to when we get up to Temecula. It's like a fucking hour-long drive right now.
Yeah.
And hopefully we don't run into traffic. So, yeah, it's a Sunday. Hopefully, we'll see.
All right, let's move out of your way so you can do your shit, you fucking asshole.
Yeah, this Jeep.
Imagine a Jeep going over 65 miles an hour.
Oh, don't worry, it'll get that wobble real soon.
It'll get the death wobble real soon. Alright guys, so we just made it back to my friend's house up in Temecula. It was like an hour drive, freaking so much traffic. But I just want to show you guys a new car now. I feel like this car is a little controversial. A lot of people don't like it. I personally wasn't a fan of it in the beginning, and then I started doing research on it and I was like, oh, this car actually could look really good with like some really simple modifications. So I ended up pulling the trigger on it, and so yeah, this is the new car right here. So I bought a 2024 WRX in white, and funny story, I was originally gonna get this car, my STI, when I had it in white, but I had the choice of doing the rally blue or the white, and I decided on the rally blue. But this time I decided on getting it white because that was my second option for the STI, and I actually like the white on it. And so yeah, so this is a new car, guys. I am not a fan of these right here. I've done my research and there's some companies out there that paint match it, so you could get them in white and all the other colors. Same with the front bumper, the side skirt, and then the rear bumper right here also. You could get it all paint matched pretty much. And so that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm really excited for this car. There's a lot of potential in it. Of course, it's got to be a manual, nothing better. So yes, this is a new car, guys. I am back in a Subaru, in a Subi, and it's gonna be the new WRX this time. And I'm pretty excited. I have a lot of stuff that I would like to do this car. I have a really cool vision of how I want it to look. Yeah, this is gonna be my daily. So this is replacing my motorcycle for the time being, in which I'll come out with another story for it maybe in a couple days explaining what happened. But unfortunately, for legal reasons, I don't want to say too much because I just don't want to mess up the legal stuff and all that, because as of right now, it was not my fault, and I just want to make it that way until everything is all cleared out. So so yeah, I'll make a video on that once everything goes by. I have pictures of everything, my road rash and stuff. But yeah, unfortunately the CBR is totaled, and I think I'm just gonna be off bikes. I think one good crash is just enough for me to stay off of them. And even though I love riding, it's just not worth the risk. So I'm on 4 wheels yet again in the new 2024 WRX. So So, and honestly, the car doesn't look bad how it sits right now, but obviously I'm gonna make it look way better. Get wheels, exhaust, color match, lip, all that good stuff to make this thing look insane. But yeah, so that's my car. Me and my buddies are hanging out right now, so we're just gonna be hanging out for a little bit since we drove a little ways over here, and we're just gonna hang out with them. So let's go back inside. You mother.
Well, fuck you.
I know you did. Thank you, Valone.
You're welcome, buddy.
Thank you for letting me back inside. Did you finish? 5 minutes away. My shoes that I crashed in. Don't they look fine?
They really do.
There's just this little hole right here. I bought these brand new also. I had them for like a week. Who needs boots when you could just have shoes? Hi. Boo-boo. Oh, what's that, boo-boo? Oh god. This car is so quiet, honestly. I need to get an exhaust for this thing, like ASAP, because it's hard to rev match in this car because it is so quiet. It is dark. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, one thing I need to do is turn off this hill assist because it drives me crazy. Gotta hold this button for 30 seconds and it should flash. Okay. Turns off, then you turn it back off. And then it should be off. Perfect. You see that little right there? That means the hill assist is off. Anyways, thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I hope you guys are excited for the new car. I know I am. A lot of stuff to do to the car to make it look and drive the way I want it to. So I hope you guys are excited for this new adventure of mine with this car. Thank you guys all so much for watching my video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.